bringing for you my version of a special Italian snack. Gooey and cheesy from the inside and crispy from the outside. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bhrani and welcome to Rachi Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started with the recipe for arancini balls. Let's start with heating a tablespoon of butter in a pan. Once the butter starts to melt, I'm going to add in 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onion till they're soft. Once the onions are nice and soft, into this I'm going to add in half a cup of risotto rice or arborio rice. If you don't have this kind of rice, you can always use any rice that you have at home. Just wash it and add it into the pan. Cook the rice for a few seconds. So the base for arancini balls is to make a risotto. So I'm just making a shortcut version of risotto rice. And normally the rice is cooked in vegetable stock, or if you do not have vegetable stock, you can even use water. Don't add all the stock at once. Just add some and cover this and let it cook. Let's check on this. The stock is dried out and the rice is half done. I need to add some more stock. And at this point, I'm going to add in 10 to 12 finely chopped mushrooms. Give it a good mix and cover this and let this cook again. Let's check on this again. The water is almost dried out and the mushrooms are also cooked. At this point, I'm going to add in a basil paste. So I've taken about 15 leaves of basil, 5 cloves of garlic and 1 green chili, and all I've done is ground it into a paste. Salt to taste. Go easy on the salt since there's going to be some cheese coming in as well, and some crushed pepper. Give this a mix and cook this till the water or the stock dries out completely. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of chopped mozzarella cheese. Let the cheese melt and then turn off the flame and cool this mixture completely. The rice mixture has nicely cooled down and I've also prepared like an assembly line to make the balls. So let's begin. Take a portion of this mixture. If it's too sticky, you can even apply a little bit of plain flour or oil onto your palms. Take a few cubes of the mozzarella cheese, stuff it in and make a ball. Prepare all the arancini balls in this way. I've prepared a few of these balls and now let's move on to the next step. Take some breadcrumbs over the board. Nicely roll these arancini balls in the breadcrumbs. And now I'm going to dip this one into the plain flour slurry. Dip it properly. Remove it back over the breadcrumbs. And now, time to fry them. I've kept some oil to heat. Fry them on medium flame till golden brown. Once they are golden brown, remove them from the oil. You can see it's nice and gooey from the inside. The cheese is also melted and crispy on the outside. These golden nuggets are enough to win hearts. Please do try it at home and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.